Hello and everybody, welcome. From previous few days everybody was facing same issue in the Firebase. So the issue was that people was not able to read or write data from Firebase DB. Those people, few were old users and few was new. So old users told me that there was some problem with their rules, but in case of new users, they told me that either they were in test mode with a 30 days timestamp, or their rules were public. Read and write both was true. That means everyone can read and write data to that database. So when assessing the problem, I found out that recently Firebase has changed their structure. Previously the project ID and database ID was same. In sketchware we are pasting the project ID, but actually in that place we need to paste the database ID. So if for example I have an project named ABC, if it is a project it is older project, then database will be same ABC, and if it is a new, then database will be like ABC dash default dash few random letters. That's how they changed the structure. So in simple words, previously we used to copy the project ID. Now we have to copy the database name. Okay, see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and Allah Hafiz.